What's going on, guys? It's not Dr. Nicky, as you can see, it's someone else. But you may be wondering how I put this cool pink or purple. I don't know, comment down below, is it pink or purple? And this cool glass glasses and this cool eyebrows. So how? In this video, you'll learn how to do it. And just to know, it's very easy and simple. And even a boomer can do it. And the most, it's fun. So how? When we click on stop video, if you click it like this, you stop the video. So we don't want to stop the video. Just click on this arrow here. Yeah, this arrow. When you click it, it opens a window where we can choose some random options like our camera. If you have 3 cameras or something, I have only one. And you can choose the virtual background, and we want video filters, right? So that is why we choose video filter. And when you click it, it opens a window with random video filters. There are a lot, and you can choose every type of video filter. Is free. I most like the glass glasses, that is why I'm with them. And also you can mirror your video like this. And so okay, we found out how to put this cool glasses, but how to put this cool bird and even to customize it with the cover, it opacity or something, just click on the studio effects here, this option here. When you click it, it opens a new window with where you can choose a type of your eyebrows. You can customize opacity, and also you can customize the color like this. I like pink or purple, I don't know, is it pink or purple? And that is not only for eyebrows, this is for bird. You can choose the type of bird, like now if you see, and the color of bird, and also the lips. As you can see, I have different lips now, and yeah, I like this type of bird and I don't care about lips. All are cool. And that's all. If I helped you out, make sure give a like, and before I end this video I wanna uncheck this. And yeah, if I helped you out, make sure give a like, and if you have some question, just comment down below and I try to answer how to fix it, or if you have some problem, of course. And yeah, that is all. Bye.